Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Subscribe. Alright, hit that subscribe button, hit that red button down below. But yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this half up, half down hairstyle on this 3x6 lace frontal wig. I really like how it came out. That's how it look on the sides. Yeah, so if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this hairstyle, just keep watching. This hair is from ISEE Hair. All of the hair details will be in the description box below. So if you're interested in this hair, make sure you check it out in the description box below. This hair is a 22-inch and it is their Kinky curly hair. Really nice texture, y'all. It is so bomb. Look at these. I'm gonna zoom in and show you the curls. And the hair looks beautiful, combed out too, so you could wear it brushed out as well, finger comb it and stuff. It looks bomb both ways. It looks really good wet. It looks really good wet, dry, finger comb, nice and full. Yeah, let's just get into the video. Hello, baby. I'm about to do a half up, half down with my frontal. After I installed it, I haven't did anything to it as far as like baby hairs and stuff, and I gotta like do a couple of touch-ups, and I gotta put makeup on my forehead because I like to install my wigs when I don't have on any makeup, and I had it tied down too, so that's why I couldn't put any makeup on my forehead too. But yeah, I had this on there as I was doing my makeup, so I couldn't put makeup on my forehead anyway. But this wig is from ISEE Hair. Okay, y'all get the picture, right? This was from ISEE Hair. I installed it with Got2b glue freezing spray. I did go ahead and pluck it and bleach. I did bleach the knots, tone it, and pluck it, so it does not come like this, like straight out the box. I want to do a half that situation, and I want to show y'all because I'm about to attempt to do it, so I decided to like film it too. I'm gonna put makeup on my forehead after I do my baby hairs and stuff. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, y'all. This is a 13x6. It's not a full lace, but I feel like I could still do it. I got some bleach on the hair, as y'all can see. Which is why my part probably don't look the straightest, but it's straight. It's just I got bleach on this part of the hair. Make sure the track's not showing either. Make this side straight too. Wait a minute. I think this one. This is half up, half down really, but I'm not about to do that. I'm gonna put my phone on silent. So basically this is considered half up, half down, like all of this up, but it's like, let me tie this up. I gotta go to the restroom. I'm gonna use some mousse, y'all. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. I don't know if it's gonna make the hair wave, but I'm gonna just use a little bit because I really don't know what else to use. I don't want to use gel because I don't want it to get hard. Argan oil, no, the cream of nature, the liquid gold cream of nature style and shine foaming mousse. This one right here is what I'm using. This is a mousse that I'm using right here. I hope it focused. I'm gonna fix like the front of my hair and stuff and do my baby hairs and everything. I like to make it tight too, y'all, even though it's a frontal. I like the flat look no matter what I'm doing. I just like for my shit to be tight. You know what I mean? Even if it's a frontal. So what? I want that shit to be tight. Okay, there we go. Shit, I can't get a headache like this, so might as well do it tight, right? Do it tight, get it right. Hey, do it tight, get it right. All right. That's that, just like that. And then I'm gonna just tie this around like this, y'all, just so I can get it out the way while I'm doing the baby hairs. Be creative with your frontals, play with the hair, do all of that, all right? But now I'm about to get to customizing. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna just like kind of just like fast forward it and just let y'all see what I'm doing for the most part, because yeah, it's just baby hairs. Baby hairs to slick it, I'm gonna still use the mousse. And then to touch up my frontal, if I do touch it up, which I think I need to. No, I do need to. I'm gonna use Got to Be Glue in my blow dryer. Was gonna just go ahead and like pin up actually like halfway like this and do it like that, like pin up some more hair, but I actually like it like this. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and like wet the hair though, like re-wet this leave up part, and then just let it air dry and then show y'all how it look once it's air dry, which it pretty much will look like this once it's air dry. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the makeup on my forehead and I'm gonna come back and then we'll see the finished results. Yeah, and I'm gonna change my shirt too. This is just my get ready with me shirt. This is like when I'm customizing my wig shirt. Like I always wear this shirt for like customizing. That's why I got like bleach stains and everything from hair bleach and stuff. So it's my, you know, if I got this shirt on, you know I'm about to go in. Which I already went in, but like I just kept it on for the video because yeah. But anyways, all right, I'm about to just stop rambling and I'm about to just show y'all the finished results once I put makeup on my head, on my forehead, and then wet the hair when it dry. And honestly, I'm really like obsessed with this look. Like I love it. Oh my gosh, like I really like it a lot. This hair is beautiful, by the way. I will show you guys like how it looked like once I tried to like, you know, judge up my little shirt a little bit, but I will show you guys the hair once it dry. But this is just how it looks like. Wow, this is how it look while it's wet or damp. Not most of it is wet, but not all of it. You can see some dry pieces. I use water and I use this Jamaican black castor oil curry fresher spray. Y'all, they need to just send me a whole box of these. Like honestly, in every one of my curl videos I probably mentioned this. Like I mentioned this, like I use their whole line, really. Like I use their shampoo, their conditioner, their leave-in conditioner, their oil, this. Like honestly, what's up, Proclaim? What's up? Like y'all might as well just send me some hair. I mean, not hair. Y'all might as well just, yeah, hair product. I might as well just, especially this curly fresher spray. I might as well like I like this a lot. I didn't do any baby hairs in the front just because like I'm just not feeling the baby hairs in the front. Like I just don't want to do it in the front, so I'm not gonna do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys hit that red button. Okay, subscribe, turn your notifications on so you won't miss an upload. And I also want to mention, in case I didn't mention in the video, that before I started this video, well, before I did this hairstyle, what I didn't show in the video is that I did dye this hair black. It was a natural brown, but I really love jet black hair, and lately I haven't been dyeing my waves jet black, but like I didn't realize how much I missed just having jet black hair, so I dyed this jet black. What else? And I also bleached the knots, and then I did do some plucking in the front. So I just wanted to say that because I don't want you guys to feel like if you order this wig it's gonna come exactly like this, like plugged, bleach knots. Like no, I did that myself. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there because I don't want it to be any confusion. And then I already mentioned like the products I use to install it and things like that. Oh, I don't think I mentioned the spray. No, I did mention the spray. Anyways, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check the hair, don't forget to check the description box below if you're interested in this hair. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know what else content you guys like to see from me, little babies. All right.